Would you like to simplify your cleaning operations across your whole fleet? Introducing the CleanQuote Operator Module, a user-friendly way of managing your day-to-day operations, inventory, and cleaning history. In the Operator Module, you can add your entire fleet and track your vessels all over the globe. Through the visual overview, you can easily review the destination of each vessel, create cleaning requests, and make important decisions in due time. One of the key benefits is that you can easily view and manage your inventory on board your entire fleet. The system allows you to request ROB reports from the captain, which, once filled out, automatically uploads back into CleanQuote as a digitized list. You can also set up automated ROB requests, so you always have an up-to-date overview across your fleet. This renders emails and manual tasks obsolete, and instead collects important fleet data and history within one user-friendly system. Furthermore, you can easily set up minimum stock levels so you get notified when it is time to refill any given inventory. The system can also send end charter reports, empowering you with a user-friendly overview of what has been consumed throughout the charter and what inventory might still be left on the vessel. Organizing your fleet and having ROB digitized opens the possibility of easily tracking consumption over time. This makes you able to spot potential overconsumption, which in turn minimizes costs and allows you to run a more sustainable operation. Not only you, but your entire organization can access all data, so knowledge is shared easily and swiftly, allowing decisions to be made transparently. Contact us for a free demo or upgrade your account today and start enjoying all the benefits of the Operator Module. Vessel cleaning? CleanQuote.